2008 Honda Civic, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil level. So with the hood open and the vehicle turned off, you look for your dipstick here, which you can pull all the way out. I'd wipe it clean with a good rag or a paper towel, stick it all the way back in, then you pull it out again, and then I check the end. So where those little kind of grid lines are, you should see oil there. If there's barely anything on this stick, then that means you're really low and you need to add some. But that said, just stick this all the way back in. If you need to add some, this would be where you add it. So you would just remove this cap and double check you're using the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But you'll unscrew this, and then with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well. But once you've got that added, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would turn the motor on for like 10-20 seconds to get the new oil to circulate. Turn it off. And then I'd repeat that process we did in the beginning to see if you're full or not now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which typically between like 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so, depending on the type of oil and your particular motor. Especially as it get to higher mileage, you might want to do them a little more often, since motors tend to burn more often, more oil as they get higher. But to do those, you just put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get to the oil pan. You pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug back in, and then at this point, then up here, unscrew again and add the recommended oil for your particular engine model. Screw it back on, and then again circulate some oil through the system with the vehicle on, turn it off, and check to make sure that we're full. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.